how to report a message or code on Yelp. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can report a message or code on Yelp, and here is how to go about it. So the first step is to log in into your Yelp's account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you revert to your own page automatically. Now, for you to be able to report a message or code on Yelp, that means that you are a business owner and you are trying to report a message or a quote that a customer made on Yelp. So the first step is to then log in into your business account by clicking on Yelp for Business, and then you can just click on login to account in the box displayed. Now, once you are now logged into your account, you must note that when consumers visit your Yelp page, they always see a request a quote button, and then once they click on this button, it prompts them to fill an industry specific questionnaires depending on the settings that you've made earlier on your account. So once they see all of this, once they fill in this code, or once they request this code, um the request to be submitted, and then businesses would receive a message in their Yelp for Business inbox. That is, as a business owner, you will receive this message, okay? And then once you can see this message, you will then be able to respond by replying directly to the email. All right. And then if you want to report this message as well, by clicking on the quotes or by clicking on the message, you will see a list of options. You will see different options. You will see the report option there as well. So you can just go ahead and click on report in order to report this quote. And then you'll be asked the reasons why you want to report the quote. State your reasons, click on send, and then just like that, the quote or the message would be reported. And then if you want to respond as well, you can just click on the mail that was sent to you and then reply directly to it. So this is how it works, okay? This is how you can report a message or code on here as a business owner. Thanks for watching and have a good day.